The Nirankari movement traces its origins to the early 20th century in India. The movement was founded by Baba Butta Singh Ji in 1929 in Peshawar, which was then a part of undivided India. The term Nirankari itself means formless and signifies the belief in a formless, attribute-less God. Key points in the history of the Nirankari Mission include: founding of the mission, 1929, Baba Butta Singh Ji, a railway station master, had a spiritual experience that led him to start the Nirankari Mission. He began preaching the oneness of God and the universality of all religions. Expansion and growth. The message of the Nirankari Mission gained popularity, and the movement expanded its reach. However, it faced opposition from orthodox religious groups, leading to conflicts. Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji's leadership. After the assassination of Baba Butta Singh Ji in 1947, his son, Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji, took over the leadership of the Nirankari Mission. Under his guidance, the mission continued to grow and spread its message of unity and devotion. Violent conflicts. The movement faced challenges and violent conflicts with certain orthodox religious groups who opposed its teachings. Tragically, Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji was assassinated in 1980, leading to a period of upheaval for the Nirankari Mission. Rebuilding and continuation. Despite the challenges, the Nirankari Mission continued to rebuild under the leadership of Baba Hardev Singh Ji, the son of Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji. Baba Hardev Singh Ji worked to strengthen the mission's commitment to humanitarian causes, interfaith dialogue, and global outreach. Global presence. The Nirankari Mission expanded its reach globally, with followers in various countries. The mission actively engages in social and charitable activities, emphasizing the importance of selfless service. The Nirankari Mission promotes the values of oneness of God, human unity, and the realization of the divine in every individual. It continues to be a significant spiritual movement with a focus on peace, love, and service to humanity. Here is a short story from Nirankari Mission. In a small village, there lived a young man named Raj who was deeply troubled by the societal divisions and conflicts around him. He longed for a sense of unity and understanding among people of different faiths. One day, Raj heard about a gathering organized by the Nirankari Mission in a nearby town. Curious and hopeful, he decided to attend. The atmosphere at the gathering was one of peace and harmony. People from various religious backgrounds came together to listen to teachings that emphasized the oneness of God and the importance of love and respect for all. During the event, Raj met individuals who had overcome personal prejudices and embraced a broader, more inclusive perspective. They shared stories of transformation and how the teachings of the Nirankari Mission had inspired them to break down the walls of religious intolerance. One speaker, in particular, narrated how, after years of animosity, he had reconciled with members of another religious community, realizing that their shared humanity far outweighed their differences. This act of forgiveness and understanding had a ripple effect, bringing positive change to their entire village. Inspired by these stories and the principles of the Nirankari Mission, Raj returned to his village with a newfound sense of purpose. He began engaging in dialogue with people of different faiths, fostering an atmosphere of tolerance and cooperation. Slowly but steadily, the village started to transform, becoming a symbol of unity and diversity. This tale reflects the core values of the Nirankari Mission, emphasizing unity, love, and understanding among people of various backgrounds. The movement encourages individuals to rise above religious and societal divisions, promoting a harmonious coexistence rooted in the recognition of the divine essence in every being.